What's up, guys? So a couple quick tips if you are laying herringbone pattern tile, all right? The first one that I'm gonna give to you is be sure that you lay this stuff dry in advance. This might look level to you in YouTube land, but in reality, if you really look at it, it's not flat. It actually goes up by maybe a 3-degree rise, which is totally unacceptable. This would look terribly sloppy on a wall. The next thing is when you are staging your herringbone, all right, when you're staging it, when you're planning it, you need to be able to figure out where your center is going to be. If you lay them like this, where you do the, let's just imagine that this tile and this tile are the letter L, okay? If you do the letter L with this bracket here and then this one on the bottom, you're going to have an impossible time finding the center of your wall. What you want to do is you want to lay your herringbone this way, where the bottom of your, it's going to be a backwards L, okay? Make a note of that. That's important. Backwards L, not the letter L, okay? The bottom's going to be here, and this is the other side of your L. So this is your backwards L. The reason you want to do that is when you're calculating the center of your wall, you're not going to go from dot to dot to dot, or from this dot to this dot to this dot. You're actually going to go in the middle, okay? Just like that. That's going to be your center. So you need to plan that way. But no matter what, make sure that you dry lay them in advance. Use 2 laser levels, one for the vertical axis, one for the horizontal axis, because there's a lot of tile setters that won't do herringbone at all. And if you're new to this and you're deciding to take this challenge on because your wife wants it, take it seriously. Otherwise, it's going to look bad.